sometimes you just need to throw the theme out the window. Today, I have 25 facts so strange, we had to double check every single one of them. From disgusting Viking laundry to people getting mysteriously sick of the Grand Canyon, let's get right into it. I'm Mike with List 25, and these are 25 random facts for people who enjoy mental detours. 25. Faces match names. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, yeah, they look like a Michael? Science actually backs that instinct up. Researchers ran a study and found our faces slowly changed to match the name we were given at birth. When people tried to match photos of adults to their actual names, they nailed it way more often than pure chance allows. But with kids, nobody could do it. The researchers realized kids just haven't grown into their names yet. The longer you live with a name, the more your face physically morphs to fit the stereotypes attached to it. 24. Comet Impact Calendar. Göbekli Tepe is 12,000 years old, and archaeologists recently realized one of its stone pillars might be the earliest calendar ever built. It has 365 symbols carved into it, tracking the sun and moon together. But the crazy part is a separate pillar that clearly shows a meteor stream drifting through the sky. Researchers are now convinced it's an actual record of a massive comet strike around 10,850 BCE, which is exactly when the devastating Younger Dryas Ice Age kicked off. 23. Grand Canyon Mystery Illness. In June 2026, a guy took a rafting trip down the Grand Canyon and ended up in the ER a few days later with a high fever and swollen joints. Doctors blasted him with antibiotics for a staph infection, but they never actually found any staph in his system. When he posted about it online, other rafters chimed in saying the exact same thing happened to them. Health trackers have now logged multiple outbreaks tied to the river, with dozens of people coming down with extreme fevers and muscle pain, and nobody knows what's actually causing it. 22. The red bag trick. Oranges are almost always sold in bright red net bags, and it's a complete visual trick. The red netting manipulates your eyes into thinking the orange peel underneath is deeper and more vibrant than it actually is. It hides any green spots and exaggerates the color, so even a completely underripe orange looks perfectly ripe on the shelf. Lemons get the exact same treatment. They just use yellow bags so they don't accidentally look orange. 21. Fungus mimic spider. Spiders are already pros at camouflage, but a new species discovered in Ecuador takes it to an entirely new level. It actually mimics a dead spider that's been taken over by a parasitic zombie fungus. It just plays dead and pretends to be infected. Scientists think it pulls off this horrifying disguise for two reasons. It stops predators from wanting to eat it, and it lets the spider completely sneak up on its own prey. 20. Marine hunting lions. The Skeleton Coast in Namibia is one of the harshest environments on the planet. Yet somehow a small pride of lions lives there, and they survive by exclusively hunting seals. Wildlife photographers tracking the pride say these lions can go weeks without eating anything at all while they hunt the shoreline. Now the cubs are growing up learning the exact same skill, carrying this bizarre marine hunting tradition into the next generation. 19. Newton's apple myth. We all know the story that Isaac Newton discovered gravity when an apple hit him on the head. It's a great visual, but it's completely made up. The apple never actually hit him. What really happened is that Newton was just watching an apple fall and started wondering why things always drop straight down instead of sideways or up. He didn't solve it on the spot either. It took him years of math to turn that random thought into the theory of universal gravitation. 18. Greek sweat ointment. Greek athletes had an incredibly gross skincare routine. Before competing, they would coat their entire bodies in olive oil and let sweat and dirt build up on top of it all day. Afterward, they scraped off all the sludge with a curved metal tool. People actually collected this gunky mix of oil, sweat, and dead skin. Physicians at the time thought it had magical healing properties and would bottle it up to sell as a treatment for inflammation. 17. Viking urine laundry. Keeping clothes clean in Viking Scandinavia required a seriously strong stomach. Before soap was a thing, households used stale urine to do their laundry. When you let urine sit and ferment, it breaks down into ammonia, which is actually incredible at cutting through grease and lifting stubborn stains out of wool. They would soak their clothes in this pungent liquid, scrub them by hand, and rinse them in a river. The clothes came out incredibly bright, but the washing area permanently smelled terrible. 16. Guinea pig armor. Back in 2013, an IT guy made a tiny suit of chainmail armor for his guinea pig. He posted a few photos, the internet lost its mind, and then the guinea pig sadly died a week later. Instead of throwing the armor away, the guy put it up on eBay. It sparked a massive bidding war that ended with another IT worker buying the tiny suit for $2,000. Every cent of that money went straight to a charity that rescues unwanted guinea pigs. 15. The Godiva misunderstanding. Legend says Lady Godiva rode a horse naked through town to convince her husband to lower taxes. It's one of England's most famous stories, but historians now think it's entirely made up. When researchers dug through actual medieval texts from that time period, the earliest records of Godiva mentioned absolutely nothing about a nude ride. That spicy detail was just made up and added into the stories centuries after she died. And eventually, everyone just accepted it as historical fact. 14. America's first daredevil. America got its first real celebrity daredevil in the early 1800s. His name was Sam Patch, and he built an entire career on jumping off massive waterfalls. He started with an 80-foot leap and just kept finding higher cliffs and bigger crowds. He became such a massive folk hero that President Andrew Jackson actually named a racehorse after him. But in 1829, his luck ran out. He jumped from a 120-foot platform, hit the water wrong, and never came back up. 13. The Crispin Glover rule. When Back to the Future Part 2 was filming, the actor who played George McFly, Crispin Glover, refused to return over a pay dispute. Universal Studios decided to just fake it. They hired a different actor, buried him in heavy prosthetics to mimic the original face, and spliced in old footage to complete the illusion. They did all of this without paying the original actor a dime. Glover sued the studio and won, creating a new industry standard that permanently blocks studios from stealing an actor's likeness without permission. 12. Pausing gravity. The internet has a brand new conspiracy theory called Project Anchor. People are convinced that gravity is going to completely switch off on August 12, 2026. The theory claims that two colliding black holes will send a shockwave toward Earth, turning gravity off for exactly 7 seconds. The math sounds highly specific, but the whole thing is completely made up. Gravitational waves are very real, but they don't act like an on-off switch for physics. There's a solar eclipse for that day though, so mark your calendars for that instead. 11. The G-value paradox. A stalk of wheat has over 120,000 genes, while humans only have about 24,000. Scientists call this weird mismatch the G-value paradox. It turns out that having more genes doesn't make an organism more complex. What actually matters is what those genes do. Wheat has a massive genetic toolkit, but most of those tools do the exact same job. Humans have way fewer tools, but each one handles multiple complex tasks perfectly. Evolution just kept whatever worked for the wheat, even if it was incredibly inefficient. 10. Curing baldness with fries. Fast food might actually hold the cure for baldness. McDonald's adds a specific chemical to their cooking oil just to stop it from foaming up in the fryer. Well, researchers in Japan figured out that this exact same chemical can regenerate hair follicles. They used it to grow thousands of tiny hair cells, transplanted them onto bald mice, and watched the fur completely grow back. They've not yet started human trials, but scientists are genuinely hopeful this fry oil chemical could cure human hair loss. 9. The Birmingham poltergeist. In 1981, a family in Birmingham called the police because heavy stones kept mysteriously raining down on their house. It smashed their windows and dented their cars for years. The police set up cameras, rooftop lookouts, and a full perimeter to catch whoever was throwing them. But officers ended up watching the stones fall out of thin air with absolutely no one around. They logged over 1,000 hours investigating the house and eventually closed the case without a single answer. 8. Toilet paper heists. We all remember when toilet paper became the most valuable currency on Earth back in 2020. Police departments everywhere were dealing with people breaking into stores just to steal it. But for some reason, the trend never actually stopped. Major thefts kept happening well into 2024. One pharmacy in Washington, D.C. got hit so many times they had to lock the actual rolls in the back room. They just leave framed photos of toilet paper on the shelf and you have to ask the manager to go fetch it for you. It really shows how weird human panic gets. I'm genuinely curious what random grocery item you guys completely hoarded back then, because my pantry was just completely full of canned beans. 7. Plant robots. Engineers in Italy just built the world's first soft robot modeled entirely after plant roots. It doesn't have eyes or gears. Instead, it uses root sensors to hunt down nutrients, water, and light. The wildest part is that the robot can physically grow. It uses built-in 3D printers to add new material to its own tendrils as it moves. The creators are hoping to eventually send those plant bots to explore alien planets or crawl through the human body for medical surgeries. 6. The Parkinson's pen. Parkinson's disease messes with your motor control, but the early signs are usually too subtle to notice. So, scientists invented a pen that can spot it for you. It doesn't actually use ink. Instead, it tracks every tiny movement your hand makes and turns it into an electrical signal. AI analyzes that signal for hidden tremors and catches the disease with 96% accuracy. Because it's so cheap to make, it could completely revolutionize medical diagnostics in poorer countries. 5. Modern solstice rituals. Ancient solstice traditions are still happening all over the world right now. Down in Mexico, spiritual groups still gather at temple pyramids to leave offerings for feathered serpent gods. In Sweden, families spend the day picnicking inside cemeteries on top of their ancestors' graves. And if you go to New York City in June, thousands of people completely take over Times Square to do mass yoga facing the skyscrapers. 4. The prince's veto. Most modern kings and queens are just symbolic figures who show up for parades. But the Prince of Liechtenstein has absolute authority. He can veto any law the government passes, and nobody can overrule him. He can fire ministers and dissolve the entire parliament whenever he feels like it. It makes him one of the most powerful monarchs left on the planet. But there is a catch. The citizens have the legal right to vote the monarchy out of existence entirely, so the prince only keeps his power as long as the people let him. 3. The counterclockwise bias. Humans have a very weird glitch when it comes to walking. Whether you're in a crowded plaza in Spain or a playground in Japan, people overwhelmingly prefer to turn left and walk in a counterclockwise circle. Studies prove this happens across every culture, and it doesn't matter if you're right or left-handed. Scientists have ruled out the Earth's magnetic field as the cause. They think it might just be tiny physical imbalances in our bodies that are hardwired directly into our nervous system. 2. Graveyard security. A new synthetic drug is currently causing a massive crisis across West Africa. Hundreds of people are dying from organ failure, and hospital admissions have skyrocketed. But the most disturbing part is what dealers are actually cutting the drug with. They're grinding up human bones to mix into the powder. The crisis has gotten so bad that police in Sierra Leone are being dispatched to guard local cemeteries just to stop people from digging up the graves. 1. Baby Shark saves life. Baby Shark is the most watched video in YouTube history. And while most parents absolutely hate the song, a plush version of the shark actually saved a life. In 2019, a massive gunfight broke out in a Wisconsin neighborhood. One of the stray bullets tore straight through the wall of a house and into a bedroom where a toddler was sleeping in a crib. Instead of hitting the little girl, the bullet slammed directly into a stuffed baby shark toy sitting right next to her. She survived the entire shootout without a single scratch. Well, if a few of these facts caught you off guard, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you want more right now, click the video on your screen for our previous list of brain-breaking facts. As always, I'm Mike Estrin. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.